So this is a video that I'm making to teach my niece, Zaina, how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So here we have a scrambled cube, and so we'll start, we have to solve the cube one layer at a time. So we don't solve it side by side, we solve it layer by layer. So we'll start with the top layer, and we can see the center cube tells us what color that side is going to be. So this is going to be the blue side, this will be the white side, this will be the orange side. So we have to get all cubes on this side have to match both sides. So so we'll start with the top layer, and this side needs to be white. So so what we can do first typically we get the edge pieces in place first, then we do the corner pieces, and it's just easier that way. So there isn't really a special way to do this. You just you can sort of just kind of figure out where things need to go. So you see, so here's the white orange piece. So we move it to the top, and then this needs to be on the orange side. So here we are. So this cube is now in the right place, right? We have white and we have orange. And now now here's the here's a green white piece. So we need to move it over here. So we can do this. So we can move to here, and then we can move the cube this way, and then this way, and then move it back. And so now this cube is in the right location. And now we can do the same thing for all the other cubes. So here's the blue-white cube. So we'll, and we know, so here's where the blue side needs to go. So I'm going to move this side over here so that I can get the cube where I want it to be. And I can move it back. So now I've got the blue-white cube in the right place. So I've almost got my cross. One more to go, which is this one. So we'll move to here, and then we can move up, and then we can turn it back. Okay, so now we have the 4 edge pieces in the right locations. And now we'll do the corner pieces. So let's see, we'll find a corner piece. So here's the white, blue, orange corner piece, and it needs to go right, oops, did I miss it? Oh yeah, here. So it needs to go here. So what we can do is move it away, turn, move it back, and then turn back the top. So now we've got it in the right location. Now here's another piece. It's orange, green, white. So it needs to go here. So we'll do something similar. Move over to here, move this side down, move it over. See, now we're in the right place, and move it back. So you can see figuring out the corners and the edges is pretty straightforward. You can kind of figure that out by yourself just by playing it. But the main thing is that you want to get the whole top layer solved, not just the top side. And so now here's the white, red, blue cube, and it's in the wrong place. So we'll move it to the bottom, and then we'll move it away. Move the top back, so our cross is still there. And now we still need to get that piece over to here. So we can move that over to here, turn this side. Oops, I did it wrong. We'll go like this. Turn this side, and then move it to here. So now we're lined up, and then we put it back. And then only one side left. And so here we have the white on the bottom. So to do it the way I've been doing it before, we need to move the white so that it's facing on this side. So the white is below where we want it to be. If we turn it now, see, now the white is over here. And now I can move it somewhere else. So it's safe, and then I can move this back. And now I have to get this up here. So I can move it away, turn this side, bring this one in position. Now everything's lined up, and bring it back to the top. So now the whole top layer is solved, you see. So we have the white side, and all the cubes are in the right location. So now we can start looking at the second layer.